Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set live wallpaper is not working on iPhone. If your live wallpaper is not working on your iPhone, so you just need to follow some steps. And here you first have to open your phone's settings and disable some settings. First open battery, and here if you have the enable the low power mode, so you have to disable it. And after doing this, just scroll down, and here's the second option, which is accessibility. You have to open it, and here the other option is motion. Just select it, and here you have a setting which is reduce motion. You have to disable it if you have enabled it first. So after doing this, you just have to go back and turn your phone off, and here just keep a long press on your lock screen, and then you have to enter your phone password. After doing this, you have to tab on customize and then enter lock screen, and here you'll get the option of live caption. You have to enable it. As you can see, I have enabled it. So after doing this, just zoom out if your photo is zoomed in, then tab on done. Now go back again, and after that, if your live wallpaper is not fixed now, so you have to choose another photo, and if the problem is not solved, so you have to make a quick restart. So make a forced restart of your phone. For this, you just have to firstly hold and release the volume up button and then volume down, and after that you have to press and hold the power button. So let's do a forced restart. First volume up, then volume down, and then volume power button. And after that, you have to slide this to power off your phone. After powering off your phone, you have to power it on again. Just press and hold the power button, and then your phone will be power on. And after doing this, your live wallpaper will successfully working on your iPhone. So that's how you can fix your live wallpaper. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.